Hi guys, how's it going? Today I'm gonna show you how to replace the rego plate light. Okay, this covering. For that one, there is a screws here, so you can use a wire tie. Put that through in that groove, and just pull that down like that. Pull that down like this. Okay, like that. This is the easy way to. Okay, so you have to take everything off. Push this one here. Pull that off. All right, now you can replace these ones. You can reuse these. All of these things. This is the easiest to buy. Like that. Other thing. So remove this one safely and keep that in a nice and safe place. Here we go. So you can see here, these are the two lights. All right. Okay. So first, you have to remove the wiring like that. Just push it and back on like that. Here we go. One is here. Press it and down. Now this is the holder. So twist it clockwise this way. Okay. So this is the one. So the globes, hold it tight and push it down. Just out like that. So this is the light. Okay. You can see here this is a little flat light. So take the new one and replace. Take the new globe and put that back on. Push that down. Okay. So this one. Now you go back here. Push it and twist to right. And make sure the wire harness is back on. And one more thing, when you do this work, make sure to do, the both globes. You have to change both globes. Otherwise, after a few days or few weeks, the other one gonna be, fuse. So it's a double job. So it's better to do these two together. And thank you for watching. And put the wire harness back on. And put all the attachments. That's it. The work is done.